Hey, I'm Alex from Marc's Mobility, and in this video we're going to go over an updated version of the VivaLift Elegance 2. This is called the PLR975M. Now with this chair, this was a chair that was out on the market, got discontinued, and was brought back based on demand. So this is going to be a 400-pound weight capacity chair. This is going to have their true infinite position, which means you can do your 4 functions independently. But this unit is only going to come in a walnut color and only in the medium size. So a few things that I did notice that when they did upgrade this or bring this back out, it is going to come with a headrest flap. So once again, don't have to put that on there, but it is nice to kind of help with a little bit of the wear on the unit, and an armrest flap as well for both sides. And then I also noticed a couple things that they did as well. Is they did put a magnetic charging port over here, or a magnetic port over here on the side. So your remote, basically, instead of having to leave it in the pocket, if you do bring it right about here on the unit, it will stay in place. And then they did move over here as well, a USB and a USB-C charging port over there on the outside of the arm. Now, once again, this is made for individuals somewhere between 5'4" to 5'9". I'm going to sit in this in a second and kind of show you what I look like sitting in this. I'm 6 foot tall, about 210 pounds. So once again, for the weight, I'm under the weight, but I might be a little bit taller than what this unit is intended for. But once again, it is going to be a very good price point for this chair with still having those 4 independent functions. I'm just going to hop in right now and just kind of show you what those functions are as well. So on your remote itself, you are going to have a middle toggle button. Now, if you're not familiar with the lift chair at all, if you were to hold that toggle button forward, the main primary use of a lift chair is to help somebody get out of the lift chair into a standing position. So once again, if you kind of lean forward on the lift chair, put your hands at the end of the arms, and you push that middle toggle button forward, you can see how it begins to raise you up to get you more into a almost locked leg, but not a locked leg, but more of a standing position so that you can stand up and then lock your legs to get out of the chair. It's also useful for individuals to kind of sit back on the chair and then go ahead and bring that tilt forward, tilt back down. Doesn't make them feel like they have to fall and kind of plop into the chair. So that is going to be a way that you could use that forward tilt, and then also the way how it's tilted to get back into the unit itself as well. Now, if I wanted to, when I'm in an upright seated position, I could hold this button backwards, and it would kind of get me to this lay flat position. Or once again, you are going to have independent buttons on here as well that's going to control the headrest. It's going to control your lumbar, your back, and your leg rest. So all 4 of those you can do independently. Once again, if you kind of look at the headrest here, you can see how I'm moving that headrest forward. I'm moving that headrest back. Same with the back of the seat, I can bring that back. And what I can actually do is get into a position to where if I hold that button back, you will see how I'm going to recline back and my feet are going to actually be above my heart. So if I was in this position, being 6 feet tall, I can still tell you that it is close to my heels, definitely past the Achilles of where it is supporting my leg. And the headrest is still comfortable as well. So although it says 5'9", depending on the proportions of your body, if you have super long legs at a 6 foot tall person, okay, maybe your legs would hang off a little bit. But at least for me, sitting in this chair, it is still comfortable, and I am at 6 feet tall. So once again, to bring it back up, you can do it independently, but it's a lot easier to just hold the middle toggle button to be able to do that to get you back up to an uprighted seated position. And then you also are going to have 2 memory buttons on here as well. So if there is a certain position that you like to get into, whether it's something where you're watching TV or you're getting your feet above your heart, you can program those positions in it as well. A couple bit of specs on the unit is the overall distance in between the armrests is about 21 inches, might be a hair more, but they say 21 inches. The depth, depending on how you're sitting in, I'm getting about 20 inches in depth. I think the spec said 21, but I think that's because you're going to suppress the backrest some when you're sitting in there. And then the seat to ground height is about 20 inches as well. That's going to make the overall width of this unit about 35.5 inches. And I believe you need to be somewhere in this 14 to 15 inch range off the wall when you're going to recline back, because that's basically how much space you're going to need. So with those dimensions, you can kind of see if that's going to fit inside your space. But once again, this is a polyurethane an imitation type leather. It is only going to be one color, and it is only going to come in that medium size. So if you are looking for a very good lift chair at a very good price point that is going to have that true infinite position, I would go ahead and take a look at the PLR975M by Pride Mobility.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.